Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the budget king company, the Poco, revealed their new smartphone, the Poco X3 Pro, and the Poco F3. The announcement in March keep going, and Poco is the latest company to bring us a new hardware as expected. We saw the official debut of the Poco X3 powered by the Snapdragon 860 chipset, and the brand new flagship Poco F3, which shares its hardware with the Redmi K40. First of all, we're talking about the Poco X3 Pro. Looks like the non-pro Poco X3 with the camera and the LED line it up in a X formation. The biggest difference is that the new chipset, it says be slightly improved version of the 7nm Snapdragon 855 Plus with the same octa-core CPU and Adreno 640 GPU. At the front, we are looking at 6.67-inch LCD with a full HD plus resolution and a single punch hole in the center of the 20 megapixel f2.2 camera. The panel support a 120Hz refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. At least on paper, the Poco X3 Pro camera setup is not quite as impressive as the Poco X3 was. Xiaomi equipped with a 48 megapixel main shooter with 1x2 sensor and f1.8 lens, and 8 megapixel ultra wide snapper with 190-degree field of view. There are also two 2 megapixel sensor macro shoot and a deep sensing, but we know those barely make a difference. The Poco X3 Pro is equipped with a 5160 mAh battery, matching the X3 NFC rather than the 6000 mAh capacity of the non-NFC version. Behind it's an enlarged copper heat pipe and a multiple layers of a graphite mean to efficiently dissipate the heat. The Poco called this is the liquid cool technology 1.0 plus. The battery support 33-volt fast charging, and a Poco include the needed adapter in the box. The Poco X3 Pro will ship with MIUI 12 for a Poco interface based on the Android 11. The phone will be available for sale in 3 colors: black, blue, and a bronze. The phone price with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage, Euro 249, while 8 gigs and 256 gigs variant available 299 Euro. Early birds are 50 Euro less on a select retailer between March 24 and April 1. Now talking about the Poco F3. Fans of the Poco F series might be glad there is a new device in the lineup, but it is not an entirely new smartphone. Precis, the phone shares its hardware with a Redmi K40 with its 2 big hole of the backside for the camera, 48 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. The front is also a same 6.67-inch AMOLED with a full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Poco F3 is driven by the Snapdragon 870 chipset, hooked 4520 mAh battery with a 33-volt fast charging support. The CPU prime core can go high 3.2 GHz, and you can also go with the latest DDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. So this phone also has an X-axis vibration motor and a Dolby Atmos tuned dual speaker, one on the bottom, the other right behind the earpiece grill. There is also a triple microphone era that in the theory can pick 360-degree surround sound and allow you to shoot video with a Poco F3 with the audio zoomed in the object in focus. The Poco F3 will ship with a 6 gigs and 128 gigs storage and 8 gigs RAM and 256 gigs storage available. There are also 3 colors available: white, black, and a deep ocean blue with a huge Poco logo on the back side. Price is from starting $349-$399 depending on which memory option you select. Just like the Poco X3 Pro, early bird will also get a 50 Euro discounted if the purchase from the selected channels between March 27 and April 6. So this is the latest 2 smartphone from Poco. Let me know in the comment section which one you like, the Poco X3 Pro or the Poco F3. So let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.